Hi, I am Manjula Paul, owner of Utrecht Ayurveda. Ghee has a special place in Indian culture, and today I would like to share some of its many uses with you from an Ayurvedic perspective. Let's first understand what ghee is. Ghee is simply clarified butter. According to Ayurveda, it has very unique and powerful curative properties. It also has all the healing benefits of butter without any of the impurities. Ghee is sweet, cold, heavy, and unctuous with a special prabhava, that is unique property of being nourishing throughout the body. It also kindles Agni, your digestive capacity, thus improving the metabolism. The medicinal property of old ghee was once common knowledge throughout India and was rumored to help with respiratory disorders and even neurological problems. Ghee nourishes Ojas, Tejas and Prana. These three essential mental qualities influence our mind and control Vata, Pitta and Kapha in the body. Ghee is also good for improving memory and lubricating our connective tissue. Ghee pacifies Vata and Pitta, and it is okay to use in moderation for Kapha imbalances. People who already have high cholesterol or suffer from obesity should be cautious in using ghee. Ghee is not to be used when there is high ama conditions such as chronic bloating or indigestion. To make your own ghee, start by slowly simmering regular, unsalted butter on the stove top for about 20 minutes. Try to use grass-fed organic butter if it is available. Simmer in an uncovered pan until the water portion is evaporated and the milk solids have settled to the bottom, leaving the pure golden ghee. Be very careful not to overcook the ghee. When it begins to turn slightly brown, remove from the heat immediately. If the smell begins to get sharp and pungent or it begins to burn, then it is not to be used. Overcooked ghee aggravates all three doshas and must be avoided. After cooling, the sediments are then filtered out by pouring the clarified butter through a cheesecloth. This removes the lactose and leaves the highly purified medicinal oil known as ghee, which solidifies at room temperature. Ghee does not need refrigeration and can be kept on the kitchen shelf. Keep it in a glass or stainless steel container and make sure not to use a wet or damp spoon or any water when preparing to store your ghee. Any water that is introduced here will be creating bacteria growth and spoil the ghee. Thank you for visiting, and I welcome you to follow me weekly. Subscribe, like and share these videos with friends or family you think might benefit from learning about the world's oldest healthcare system. If you have a topic you would like me to address in an upcoming video, send your questions to my email address listed here.